What is up, YouTube? It's me, The Rock, again. Just kind of doing an update video. It's been a while since my surgery, since I've done my little post-op video. In fact, I just got done watching it. It kind of reminded me, okay, I should probably check in. Um, kind of see where I've come from. For those who haven't seen my first video, watch it. Man, my face was huge. Um, I just shaved the beard off, so I kept the beard till about now, but I shaved it off. Kind of get you up to date. I did my surgery back May 14th. Did the video May 17th, just a couple days after the surgery. Today's November 4th, so I'm almost 6 months post-op. And I feel awesome. I mean, I couldn't have asked for better results. I'm down about 80 pounds since the surgery. I'm sitting at 206 right now. Kind of plateaued right there for the last couple weeks. I did the surgery at 286, so I'm about 80 pounds since surgery. I'm almost 100 pounds since my heaviest. My heaviest was about 302, 303, about there. I mean, I feel absolutely awesome. I started my surgery in a 2X, kind of tight, so almost a 3X. I can fit pretty comfortable in a large now. I went from, my largest pant size was a 48. If I suck it in real good, I mean, if I suck in, I can almost fit into a 34. I'm wearing 36s pretty comfortably now. It's great. I go on hikes, I ride a bike, I go on walks all the time. It's great. I mean, like I said, I couldn't have asked for better results. Some other things that have happened since my surgery that's really benefited me in the 6 months since I did my surgery. I got to marry my best friend. I've been married for about 3 months now. She's been my best friend for 4 years. She's always been there supporting me. She was always concerned for my health. She was a great motivation for me. When I did the video, we weren't dating. We started dating a little bit before we got married, and just decided it was the time, so we got that over with. In fact, she's pregnant, so lost weight, got married, having a kid. Actually, I just barely realized that the due date is the day I had surgery. That's actually kind of cool. That's interesting. Huh. So yeah, I mean, things are working out. In fact, where I'm working right now, I work at a car dealership, and there's a pretty large group of larger people who I've been a pretty good motivation for. Some of them actually have gone and done the surgery. They've tried diets. They've been asking me for help with things, trying to help motivate them. My sister is actually in Mexico right now doing the same surgery I did with the same doctor, which I'm really excited for. She's always been a very large woman, and I'm kind of intrigued to see what she's actually going to look like skinny. It's like I've grown up 26 years, and I've never once seen her weigh so little. One good thing about my weight where I'm at right now, like I said, I'm about 206. I kind of bounce back and forth between 206, 210. I've kind of plateaued there for a couple weeks, but I really don't mind, because when I went into the surgery, my goal weight was 220. So I've surpassed my goal weight. I've surpassed my clothes size, my pant size. I mean, weight-wise, and size-wise, I'm where I want to be. Do I have more to lose? Yes, I do. My belly, I don't know if you see it. I mean, the pudge is still there. That's going to take a while to actually get rid of. I've been going to a gym. I'm active. Like I said, I go on walks, hikes, ride my wife got me a road bike that I ride with her. Trying to get rid of just that little excess ab. I mean, I was young, so my skin had the chance to actually fully stretch out. So most of it's just kind of gone back down, just naturally shrunk. My ring size was huge. I remember anytime I'd had to go buy a ring or any type of jewelry, they always had to size it really big. I think I was about a 12 and a half, 13 size ring on like the wedding ring size. Sorry, I got a little bit of a cold. But when I went and purchased my wedding ring, I was small enough where I was able to take home that same day because it's the size that all the rings naturally come in, which I think is about 10 and a half. So I was like, kind of like, yeah, I'm getting there. I'm where I'm almost want to be. And it just, yeah, the surgery has just completely changed my life. I've gotten happier. I used to suffer pretty bad from depression, from all sorts of just addictions, and just eating a lot, and just getting more sad because I eat a lot. And now I go to Subway, I buy a sandwich, and that lasts me all day long. I just feel great. I'm happy. I'm excited about life. I'm motivated to keep going. Um, be nice once I kind of get rid of a little bit of the excess stretch, but like I said, it's gonna take time. I'm healthy. I mean, my resting heart rate right now. I've been keeping a good eye on my heart rate, my blood sugar, my blood pressure. My resting heart rate is 58. That's the best I've ever had. My blood pressure, last I checked, it was like 120 over 80. My blood sugar's maintaining about 115, which for me was great. Um, Everything's just coming together. It's been truly a good blessing for me. Kind of update on some other things as far as like food. For those who are watching, kind of see that because they gave me a paperwork saying, okay, at this month you can eat this, at this month you can eat this. And I was worried because according to the chart, I think it was like I couldn't start eating meat, like hard, like more of the like dark meat stuff till like month 6, month 7 for around there. And I was really worried about Thanksgiving because I love turkey. But honestly, for about the last 2-3 months, I've been able to eat pretty much anything I want. I haven't struggled to keep anything down. I'm eating sandwiches, I'm eating meats, I'm eating chips and salsa, I'm eating what I want. But because my stomach's smaller, I am limited. I feel full, and so I stop. So it's going to be pretty cool that it's working. When I first did the surgery, I was about a quarter cup worth of food per meal, about 4 or 5 times a day is what I was doing, just a small little scoop of something a couple times a day. I know I've stretched out a little bit more. For example, if I get a burger, I can usually cut the burger in half, and by the time I'm about 3/4 done with that half, I kind of feel that full point, but I'm kind of stubborn and I take that extra bite just because it's there. I know I couldn't. I've been talking to my wife the last few days, be like, hey, you need to watch what I'm doing because it's like I'm starting to kind of push myself a little bit, but not too much because it still hurts when I get full. So, like, if I eat that extra bite, if I eat the full half burger, I have to sit down for a minute and just relax because the tension's still there. It kind of hurts. That's the only thing that kind of worries me, is just because I saw myself falling back into old habits, but I caught myself. It's like, all right, I can't do that anymore. I'm eating slow again. I get to my full point and I stop. I throw it away. I put it down. I put it in the fridge, and it's working. In fact, I saw my size go back down a little bit. Like I bought not a Subway sandwich. There's a place here called Which. Doesn't matter. I bought a 7-inch sandwich and they cut up into 4 pieces, and I could eat my fourth, which about the fourth would hit my full point, and then about 2 hours later I'd be able to eat another fourth. I am eating more frequently, but it doesn't feel like I'm stretching or pushing my limit. It feels like, okay, I have room for that other bit. So it's usually not too bad. I'm amazed. Like, I look in the mirror and I look at my face, I look at my pictures, and it just amazes me how far I've come. I feel good. People always commenting on it. It's like people from high school, people from my old jobs are like, look at you, you are skinny. I got some friends, and in fact even a brother, who we seem to be passing each other, gaining weight and I'm losing weight. I'm like, hey, how about we just go and switch clothes? That's the other thing. I was losing weight so rapidly. I started at 48, and about every month I'd have to go buy about 2 sizes smaller. But it was hard because it's like, okay, I know I'm going to keep losing weight, so I go one pair of jeans and one shirt, and I'd shrink those down. I'd have to wash them almost every night just to kind of keep up. But luckily with work, I started at 2X. They just about 3 months ago bought me some extra larges, and now they're quite baggy. And they keep yelling at me like, "You need to stop losing weight. We can't keep buying you work shirts." Um, so they've just kind of told me, okay, the extra larges don't look too horrible. Go ahead and wear those for a little bit longer until we make sure you're staying at a large, which is fine. I don't care. I kind of like the excess, little more breathing room. Um, but yeah, I mean, life's been good. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to ask. I know I had one person on my last video who just went through the surgery. Just had the surgery done. He was a couple days afterwards, and he asked to see how I was doing. I know that was probably 4 months ago, so maybe he's gonna watch this video now. And but yeah, I hope he's doing well too. He wished me the best of luck. I wish him luck as well. But yeah, any questions, ask away. Any comments. If I figure out how this little YouTube video capture on the iPhone thing works, maybe I can upload or post some pictures of before and afters. So yeah, anyone who's going through the surgery, best of luck to you. Anyone who's been through it, keep going. We all know it's worth it. We've all seen the results so far on ourselves. So yeah, awesome. See you guys later.